everyone. Today we'll be going over how to use our Save Search to Power BI or Excel tool. This demo is going to be on a build purchase order Save Search, which we are going to connect with an Excel file as a live connection and refresh the Excel file to have this data flow over. So you don't have to manually export the Save Search to Excel every time. So let's get started. So the name of the search that I'm going to use is build purchase orders. Okay, and this is our tool, Save Search Connect. So I'm just going to type in the name of the Save Search, and this gives me this. And once I select it, I just click on Submit. I just get the URL. So all I need to do is copy this URL. Right, there we go, easy peasy. And then we're heading back to Excel. So the integration takes less than 2 minutes actually. So here in Excel, go to Get Data under the Data tab from Other Sources and select from Web. So once you select this, it allows you with a URL option here in the basic section. So you can just paste the URL and click on OK. Takes some time, but there you go. Your data is here. You can transform it, load it, and you can do your own analysis on top of this. This solution not only enables with advanced analytics, but also reduces licensing costs if the user just needs to look at key KPIs or save search information in a pivot table format. So you can create pivot tables on top of it. Here you go. So you can create graphs. So the options are endless. Do reach out to us for a demo, as we can help you out with a custom solution and get started with advanced data analytics using your NetSuite data. Thank you all.